Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Xcover 5. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now click on Receive on Xcover 5 and Send on Samsung. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will select only this one photo. Click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on Xcover 5, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into My Files app, selecting in my case Images, and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!